Hey everybody, what's up? I recently acquired the 10C Evo from Sena and I've been putting it through its paces in the last few weeks. So check out the review in this video from the Biker Crew UAE. The 10C Evo is a lot sleeker in design than its predecessor, the 10C Pro. The antenna is from the 20C Evo and it comes with a micro SD card slot that takes up to 128 GB memory cards. Jog dial, pretty much the same all around. 4K camera and is activated by the camera button. Now click it once in order for it to go on. Click it once to take a photograph, hold it down to record. I felt the best way to review the performance of this 10C Evo is to take it riding.
Alright folks, we're heading to Kalba and we're testing out the video recording capability of the 10C Evo. And the guys on the intercom can hear this too.
Oh yeah.
I really wonder if it'll pick up the conversation between us as well.
On the video?
Yeah, on the video.
Gotta be more aggressive. Should watch what I'm saying.
Yes, you do.
In order to show you how it works in a helmet, I've already set up the internals on my HJC IS-17 Ironman. Now the speakers are pretty much the same, goes inside the helmet, and Allen keys do keep this little device locked in. To put them together, just line them up and a little bit of a click gets you there. Now once that's there, the moment you plug this in, it's got a very handy clip. Locks it in place. So there you have it folks, Sena's 10C Evo on HJC's IS-17 Ironman. Now in order to take it out, it's pretty much the same. Reverse the process, remove the little clip, take it out and give it a good yank, and there you go.
Alright, welcome to Al Fay folks. And here's a little roundup of the bikes we have here. Now this is one of a kind in the UAE, Ducati 620 Sport. Now how's the 10C Evo been performing? Well, so far, it seems to be pretty good. Minus the wind noise, there is a fair bit of wind noise, but for the rest of it, the microphone seems...
Intercom failed. Try again later.
For the rest of it, the microphone seems to be working really well. It does pick up your voice. I seem to have a problem with one of the settings. It seems to be trying to put on the intercom automatically. I'll need to have a look at that. But other than that, so far I'm rather happy with the way this is performing. So at this point I've got to tell you about the sound quality of this 10C Evo. It is crystal clear. I don't seem to have a problem of any sort with any jarring. The sound is delivered pretty well through the stock speakers. I'm sure there are aftermarket speakers that will be a lot better, I guess, but I'm unsure of whether those are available for this device because of the connectors that are required to fit this along with, fit the speakers into the device. FM stations are very handy. Set it through the app, you get all the stations you want. Cycling through it is as easy as switching a track on the audio system. Again, loving the sound quality. So well done, Sena. So we're doing some more testing out on the desert road in the night, just to make sure that this thing operates really well in any speed and any time of the day or night. I do really like the way this works. It fits pretty snugly as well. Doesn't seem to interfere when I turn around or anything of the sort.
This is a good time to check how good the 10C Evo is under cloudy conditions. Update. I still seem to be having a problem with the intercom. It keeps, the intercom system really, it keeps switching on.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
That's what I was talking about. Take notes, Sena. This is a problem. It interferes with a lot of stuff. And this is at speeds of about 117 to 120 kilometers an hour. The sensor is really sensitive and seems to think you are trying to put on the intercom system all the time.
What don't I like about it?
Intercom failed. Try again later.
That's what I don't like about it. For some reason it keeps trying to put on the intercom, even when I don't touch it. Initially I thought that it was because of probably the wind hitting the device, but this just happened at slow speed, so well, that's something, a black mark, I guess. One negative. Sena, take a look at that. So take a look at that, check that out. I think it's a problem with this. Maybe the sensor, maybe it's too sensitive, or I don't know what we're doing with the settings. Well, it's time to talk about the cons of this 10C Evo. The things I don't like. It keeps trying to put on the intercom even when you don't touch anything, and that really sucks. And secondly, the foam on the speakers, well, they don't seem to hold on really well. They just come out every time you touch the speakers. So, two things to work on, Sena, just two. Overall, this is an amazing piece of kit. I love it. I can't tell you that enough. I love this piece of kit. It is fantastic. It gives you an amazing opportunity to video as you ride, and without having to worry about an additional GoPro stuck on your helmet. What I would like to see in an upcoming version is mesh technology. It's already there in the 30K and the new 50, so should have been there in this one.
I do hope you enjoyed this review of the 10C Evo by Sena. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.